Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using the Epson DC-11 ELP-DC11 document camera, specifically the V12H377020 model. We're talking about the POWETech AC-DC power adapter charger. Now, for those who rely on their document camera for presentations, teaching, or content creation, a reliable power source isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. This particular adapter from POWETech is designed to be a perfect fit, offering 100% compatibility with the Epson DC-11, even though it's not an original Epson-branded product. The manufacturer makes a point of distinguishing it from lower quality, low-current alternatives often found on the market, emphasizing its high-quality construction. This is a crucial detail, as a subpar charger can not only underperform but potentially damage valuable equipment. One of the standout features of this POWETech charger is its intelligent switching circuit. This isn't just a fancy term, it means the adapter is smart enough to recognize when a connected battery is fully charged. Once it detects a full charge, it automatically switches to a save mode. This intelligent design ensures that the plug never heats up excessively and, more importantly, prevents any risk of overcharging the battery, which can significantly extend the lifespan of your device's internal components. Coupled with built-in short-circuit protection, it offers a robust layer of safety for both the adapter and your expensive document camera. The input voltage range is impressive, supporting 100V to 240V, making it a truly worldwide compatible charger. This is incredibly convenient for anyone who travels or uses their document camera in different regions without needing multiple adapters. The 5-foot cable length provides ample reach, giving users flexibility in setting up their workspace without being tethered too closely to an outlet. Plus, the integrated LED indicator is a simple yet effective visual cue, letting one know at a glance that the adapter is powered on and ready to go. Weighing in at a mere 5 ounces, it's also remarkably lightweight, adding minimal bulk to a camera bag or travel kit. Overall, for Epson DC-11 ELP-DC11 document camera owners, the POWETech AC-DC power adapter charger appears to be a thoughtfully designed and reliable power solution. It promises not just compatibility, but also enhanced safety features and global usability, making it a strong contender for anyone needing a dependable replacement or spare charger.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.